Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Google Home members and permissions for smart devices. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer Google Home members and permissions for smart devices, start by opening the Google Home app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the correct Google account that manages the smart devices. Navigate to the home where you want to transfer members and permissions. Tap on the home icon located in the top left corner of the app. Select the name of the home you wish to modify. Once in the home settings, locate the Invite Home Members option and tap on it. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to add to your Google Home. Select the appropriate permissions for each new member, such as control over smart devices or viewing device statuses. After finishing, tap on Send Invitation to notify the new members. Ask the invited members to check their email and accept the invitation to join your Google Home. Once they accept, their permissions will be activated. To remove a member, go back to the home settings and tap on the member's name. Select the option to remove them from the home. Confirm your choice to finalize the removal. If you need to change permissions for existing members, tap on their name and adjust the settings as desired. Remember that each member's access and control will be based on these permissions. For any adjustments, revisit the home settings as necessary to maintain your preferences. This process will help manage who can access and control your smart devices effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.